Macy's, like the amount of I cannot with you being invasive with like underwear, and now you've given me breast pedals. So I think that it is so like important that all bodies feel beautiful and welcome and special and unique, and I just feel like something like this just really... It is me, Drew, and today's video I have for you. It is day 4. Why am I holding my string? Of February 2019 box week. First of all, I actually don't try to make these intros this bad, but for some reason, life just seems to just show up and get in my way. I think, okay, so first of all, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew, and box week is the best week every single month. My YouTube channel is the one week every month me and my YouTube family spend 7 consecutive days together. You're catching us on day 4 of box week. So basically we open up my subscription boxes, we hang out, we have fun. If you want to be in the Just Like Drew family, I'm trying to remember how this goes because now I'm just like so rattled that every single intro I've done has been terrible. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button. Join our forever family. Is that right? Basically, if you like this, hit subscribe. If you don't, just go. I get it. I don't even know how I feel about my content right now. So, we're going to get into tonight's unboxing video. Today we're going to be opening the Macy's Beauty Box. Macy's is a $15 monthly subscription from Macy's store. And after the last like month or two, I've kind of been deciding whether or not I actually want to keep this box. I would love for you guys to weigh in. You guys weighed in heavily when I was making my way prolonged decision about Sephora Play. But I've kind of been deciding that I might not want to keep this box anymore. Recently, it's been a lot more, like, it's just been kind of weird. Like, they gave us underwear. Yeah, I'm still talking about that. They gave us a lot of weird items. They'll give us, like, one kind of full-size item, a lot of really small, like, samples, like, smaller than, like, gift with purchase items. And then they've now changed the way that you can actually use, like, the Macy's, like, coupon. So, I'll show you what I'm talking about when we get inside. Let's just see what's in here. I don't actually know what's in here this month. All I know is that it's kind of possibly on the chopping block. Also, I did want to mention that we are going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is almost pretty much full. So this box, at the end of this box week, I will be posting a video telling you how you can enter to win that box. So make sure you are keeping your eyes open for that. All right, so opening this up inside. Ooh, the bag is really cute. This is a big lip bag. I love this. You know who's going to love this is like my kids. Like they're going to fight over this bag. This is really stinking adorable. And then they give you a little booklet here that kind of tells you about everything inside. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. So every month with your box, they give you a special coupon for like $5 or $10 off a beauty purchase from Macy's. So in the past, you could use that and get a purchase from Macy's. Like you get like 5 off of $5 on Macy's.com, order some items, and then you have them shipped to your house for free because all beauty items ship free. Not anymore. Now, lately it's been like you have to spend $10 to get 5 off of $10, and they don't ship free anymore. You have to have them either shipped to a store or pay for shipping or spend like $40. So that's kind of frustrating simply because the products have not been that amazing to kind of suddenly change up the rules for the coupon, because honestly one of the main reasons I feel like I've kept it this long was the $5 or $10 off of products from their website. So that's that. Now let's get into this and see what's in here. I do like the bag this month though. I will say this bag is really cute and I'm here for this because I think that's adorable. Alright, so I'm opening this up to see what we've gotten. Watch it be amazing. Watch me have just like thrown all that shade and it's like a really good bag this month. I'm hoping. I hope I'm wrong. Alright, first item that we have in here is Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder. Okay, so again, look at like the size of that. I'm going to be putting this right into the giveaway box. I actually currently use this exact product for my setting powder and I have a full size so I don't need that right now. Okay, this is actually a good item, and funny enough today, I literally did this today, this product, and I thought to myself, I am running low, I need more. It is the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask. mask. Can you guys see that? Everyone's been doing face masks this month and I'm not mad at it. So this is actually one of my favorite rose face masks. It's really, really great. So retexturizing, truly like what it says, like you put it on and it'll actually help like smooth out your skin, but it's not like abrasive to the point where it's gonna leave it like struggling. So I'm gonna keep that. I actually needed that, so that's awesome. They gave us like one of these mini like little sample beauty blenders. I think you're supposed to like, look how small that is. I think you're supposed to use this like around like your inner corner of your eyes. I personally would have no use for this. I'm gonna put this into the giveaway box, but again, you see we're getting like really, really small items. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay. I don't know how to talk about the next item, but they gave us breast petals. Macy's, like the amount of I cannot with you being invasive with like underwear, and now you've given me breast petals. So if you're wondering, these are things that you put over the girls to basically cover them up if you don't want to wear an actual bra. I have a problem with this. First of all, that is assuming that all of your customers would be able to utilize something like this. Again, I feel like this is an item that like you should not be giving out underwear. You should not be giving out things regarding people's breasts. I don't know. Like, am I wrong about that? I feel like that is so odd. Like, I feel like that is so bizarre. Like, that just, it makes me uncomfortable, especially being a girl with a larger set. That item would not work for me, especially when I was, you know, plus size. That wouldn't have worked. And again, I talked about that like last time. That's part of the reason I had the issue with the underwear. They gave you an item that they're like, it's a one size item up to like an extra large. That is assuming that all of your customer base, first of all, would be utilizing women's underwear, or this is assuming that all of your customers are like using like women's breast products. I just feel like that's just a major oversight, and I'm really surprised that like Macy's is continually giving out products like this that are very much like tunnel vision on the customer that they are assuming is purchasing this box. Like, sorry for the rant. I did not plan on going there, but I did not know this was in here, and I'm really bothered by that. I don't know. You guys need to tell me how you feel about that in the comments, because I'm really bothered by it. All right, we got an Anastasia Beverly Hills American Doll liquid lipstick. You know what? I'm actually gonna check this out and see what the color looks like. It's a red, but it almost looks like it might have like a pink tone. So let's check it out and see. Oh, it's like a red with like a blue tone under it. Okay, so I definitely like it. Yeah, American definitely is the right phrase for that. I like this tone of red. I don't actually have a lot of red lipsticks that color. I have a lot of red lipsticks, but not specifically in this shade, so I definitely like that. Next item that we have is, doesn't want to come out. It is a Clinique High Impact Mascara. So that's this right here. I'm going to be putting this in the giveaway box. I just got like mascara the last 2 nights and I've kept them both, so I don't need to keep this one as well. And then we got a fragrance, Black Opium from YSL. So I'm not going to spray this in my room. I told you guys like recently I'd sprayed a fragrance in my room and then it kind of like stayed forever, and then I started like actually having like an allergy attack from it. So I've been kind of leery of like trying out fragrances now in my room. So that's everything that we got in here. I really am just super duper thrown off by this whole breast petal thing. I feel like that's just really odd, and I don't know, like so there's a part of me that understands the like, oh, I'm trying to like be more forward thinking and really think outside the box, but at the same time, like, first off, I feel like it's a little bit awkward of an item to give out in a subscription box. I feel like it's a little bit invasive and a little too personal. The other side is I really have a serious problem with the fact that I feel like they are assuming the size, they are assuming the shape, they're assuming that just, there's a lot of assumptions, and I'm kind of not okay with it. So for me personally, I've kind of been deciding whether or not I even want to keep this box or bag, whatever it is now. And part of me at this point is now like feeling like this might be the thing that makes me cancel the subscription and get a different one. I really want to hear your guys' thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Like I said, some of this is just from me getting multiple subscription boxes that I have this opinion. The other side of it is like the fact that, you know, I used to weigh 415 pounds and this would have never worked for me, and I would have felt like I spent my money on something and you just assumed that I was a smaller woman who could even use this. And even now, after losing 264 pounds, I can't use them. They won't work on my chest. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna sort of recap this. This video is weird, I know, but I'm bothered. I'm really bothered by it. So, I'm gonna be recapping this. We got the Anastasia Beverly Hills American Doll lipstick, which I tried on my hands. I'm gonna keep that. We got the Black Opium YSL fragrance. We got the Clinique mascara, which is going in here. We got the Breast Petals, which is just okay. We got the Derma Blend setting powder, which is going in here. We got the Beauty Blender, like little mini blender, which I think you do for like inner creases in your eye area. And then we got the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing face mask. So, and we also got the $5 off coupon, which I said again that you can't use online for free shipping anymore, and you have to use them to like get shipped to your local store. I don't know. Basically, I'm frustrated right now. I really want to hear your guys' feedback. I want to know what you think. I want you to tell me if you think that I'm just like way out there. Maybe I'm being too sensitive because I used to be heavier, and I have a soft spot for people who are in this situation. I can't tell you how many times in my life there would be, you know, a one size fits all, and I'm like, it doesn't fit me. And I understand like I've made changes to change my life, but I still think that it is so like important that all bodies feel beautiful and welcome and special and unique. And I just feel like something like this just really, yeah. So if this is your first time here, I'm really sorry. I usually don't rant like this, but I'm just kind of a little bit upset right now. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same. It is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of February 2019 box week. All right, talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. Ooh, we have a sexy black bag. So last month it was all red. This one is like a sexy black one. I like this. Like, dude, like this is really, really cute. Also, this is really good for fitting face